How to change time zone in Windows 10? It's pretty simple. Just follow these steps properly. Click on this Windows icon and search for Settings. Go to your settings and go to Time and Language. Now here you will find two options like set time automatically and set time zone automatically. If it's on, you need to turn this off to change your time zone. As you can see here, I can change time zone for now because I have turned on the set time zone location automatically here. When I turn off it, and here you can see the option is now available. Now I can change my time zone to another time zone. Here is many time zone available in here. Just select according to your location and whatever location, whatever time zone you want, but I prefer that set your time zone automatically according to your location. Just turn this on. If you want to set your time zone according to your location, just go to privacy and go to location, and you have to click on this change button and turn on this location access for this device and allow apps to access your location. Turn on this feature on your system, and you can simply set your time zone automatically on your system according to your location. Also, you can change your time zone, your time according to your time zone, and that's how you can change time zone on Windows 10. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.